We're now going to do a new course proposal do a proposal for editing a course revision. So for here under the new proposal tab, we're going to click on graduate course revision because I'm editing a graduate course. And I'm going to click my checkbox to start a proposal. And the first thing you do on a graduate course revision, this is a little bit different, or a course revision period, is we want to go into the catalog and import the course. We do that through this little down arrow here, and it's going to pop up this dialog box that asks for you to find your course in some way. So I'm going to do a filter by prefix, and I'm going to just search the prefix JOUR, and I'm going to search available curriculum. And I'm going to pull in this JOUR 6140 News Design course. So it's going to pop up a whole bunch of information. I'm going to import this item. And we see here, now we've got kind of everything here. And I'm going to pull my department name in. We don't have a department committee who is going to need to approve it. And this is pretty similar to the old course revision form, only it's electronic. So here what we want to do is we want to change the subject area and the title, and everything else is going to stay the same. So we don't need to worry about checking any of those boxes. And the rationale for change here, we just need to explain why we're doing this. Also, a good practice is to turn on the help by clicking the I up at the top, and that brings up the help text for everything. So what are we going to do here? We need to match the 4000 level class in name and prefix. So we don't want to make any changes yet, and this is what's super weird, is that you want to set everything to the way that it currently is, not the way that you want it to be. So we have all this information and it's correct to the way that it is right now. And we've got it all done, and we hit Save All Changes, and it should save, and then we go up and we launch the proposal. And it has a validation error. I'm going to tell it to show me, and it wants me to check that box. So now I'm going to try again to launch the proposal, and it launches. So what is weird at this point, because we're doing a revision, we need to show some kind of level of track changes. So what we will do now that it is launched is we'll go in and we'll make the edits we want to make. So I made a typo here, so I'm going to fix that typo. Then we're going to change the name of the course from News Design to Publication Design and hit Save. And then we are going to go down here, and we need to add that's also cross-listed with Art 4140. And we want to tell it somewhere that we're changing the prefix. And because it's giving us no results found, we're going to leave it as JOUR. And then we're going to have to put a note somewhere in here that a prefix of CRMM. And now that this is finished, we can save all changes after we check these two boxes. And we will make our decision to approve. Now, if we go back here to status, or to discussion, we can see the comments about all this. Please save. Why isn't it letting me save? Oh, because you save individually rather than piece by piece. And that should be saved. Now what we can do is we can user tracking, we can show current with markup, and that will show us what changes have been made. So we see the course name is here. We see the other notes here. So everything should be good on this one, and we can move on.